friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some card making ideas using dies from Lifescraft. You will find links, my affiliate links to these dies in the description area of this video. Plus you will find, if you keep scrolling down below in the description area, you're going to find some coupons for my crafting on a budget making videos. Okay, crafting on a budget making, well, you know what I mean, card making. Okay, so this first card, this cute card, is using dies from Lifescraft, and I'm using these cute mushroom dies. They're actually pretty large in size, as you can see, and it can you can use it towards the decoration of your card. It takes an entire A2 size card, the 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So it's taking the entire real estate, I should say, of this card size. And that's the first one that I want to show. Another one that I wanted to share with you, I did not make a project with this because, as you can see, I have all sorts of projects down here. This is cute bunny card, and to just give you an example of what this die cut will look, it'll be like this, and it does emboss little things like the ear markings and the die, and it cuts out this little heart right along there, so y'all can see. What else do I have? Okay, let me go through these. Oh no, let me finish with this one. Okay, so this one in my haul video, I remember saying, what the heck am I gonna do with a cone and a cloud? Duh, it's not a cone and a cloud, it's actually an ice cream with the sprinkles and everything. So let me share with you what I did. Okay, I used the cloud to obviously make clouds and the sprinkles to make some little gold stars, and this is a digital stamp from my collection, and it says rainy days make perfect crafty days. Yay, yes they do. Any day makes a perfect crafting day. So I went ahead and made an A2 size card with this, and with the very same exact die set, I also made an ice cream cone card. So here we go, just one die cut of these and two of these, and I put one right up on top of the other. See how I made it? And the little sprinkles are the stars, and then I put happy birthday. So I really like the way that came out. Put these over here, and let me set these aside. Now this time around I went ahead and asked for all sorts of sentiment dies. I just love the different fonts and everything that you can do with sentiment dies. So this very first one, and I made these like in note card sizes, kind of like a 3, I want to say a 2 3/4 by 4. So these are 2 3/4 by 4 note card sizes on this cute off-white or cream color cardstock, and papers for my stash. This one says happy anniversary, and I did use a rose gold one of these in rose gold to do the happy anniversary, and I really love this font, and it cuts so very well. And let me show you which one it came out of. Where is it? Oh yes. It's these two right here. This is a happy anniversary die, and this is the die that makes the shadow for it. So here we go. That's one. Another note card that I made is this beautiful love notes card, and that was using this die right here. And another one is this gorgeous, oh my god, I fell in love with this. Oh my goodness. Okay, using this die over here. And this cute one says happy birthday, using these two sets, this die right along here. And I don't know about you, but I can't get enough hello dies. You know, you can't just have one hello die or one hello stamp. You have to have very many of them because of the fonts. And I tell you, I love this font. Oh yes I do. And this hello came with the hello die and also the background or the shadow, and that's this one right along here. And this one right here says faith over fear. That's right, it's faith over fear. And we also have the die set along with the shadow, and that would be these two over here. And we have this adorable card, adorable die. This is what it looks like, and it cuts so well. I was very impressed with these dies, because normally on the less expensive dies, whenever you get something this intricate, you know, it's how we call it, touch and go, but I have absolutely no complaints whatsoever. And you know that I am honest to goodness, drop dead honest to goodness, truthful with you. So there was absolutely no complaints with this. And of course I did use my Spellbinders die cutting machine. So you also need a good die cutting machine with these dies as well, with any dies really, right? So anyways, because one pass, boom, you're done. I also have this one. This is a thankful die cut, and this one I believe it's this one right along here. Okay, it came with a shadow as well. And here is a Mother's Day card. See, this one could also be a Mother's Day. You know, you could probably put something like this over here to kind of like occupy some of this real estate, you know. But I like it just like that. Now this one right here, obviously I did use some of my Spellbinders sequins. And what I did over here was I double cut one in this color, and the other one I used watercolor paper, because you know what I say about watercolor paper. When doing these type of designs, very busy designs that are thin and everything, your best bet, instead of cardstock, use watercolor paper, because it holds a lot better and it doesn't rip easily. Okay, and this is what the die looks like. And over here, so what I am going to be doing is, for this set of giveaways, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give away my makes, and I will also hold a giveaway. This is included in this giveaway, by the way. It's going to be this die and this die, the cone and the ice cream cone that you see here, along with the love die. So yeah, go ahead and make sure to leave me a comment and a thumbs up. And in my Lifescraft videos, I do believe there's 3 of them. There are 3 of them. Be a visible subscriber, 18 years or older, and this giveaway is for U.S. residents only. Thank you so very much, and I will see you once again real soon.